What's happening, guys? Welcome back to another video here at 88 Rotors Off-Road, where we have a Tundra compilation. Independence Day is a couple days away, and if you want a Fox package for your Tundra, we're gonna drop a new promo code to get $500 off one of the packages from our website. Keep on watching to see that. Here we have a 2024 Tundra TRD Pro in Terra. We're doing a King suspension setup on this one with Camburg Kinetic Series, Billet Uniball upper control arms. The shocks are the King 2.5 remote finned reservoir coilovers and shocks all around with the compression adjusters. For the wheels and tires on this one, we're doing the 17 by 8.5 zero offset machine finish RRW RR2 S wheels, and we did a horn chop to clear the 37 12.5 17 Toyo Open Country MT tires. 88 Rotors is located here in sunny Southern California in the city of Baldwin Park. We're about 20 minutes east of downtown Los Angeles in California, USA. If you're looking to get some work done by us, please reach out to us anytime by phone, or you can always message us by clicking on the link in the description and going to our contact form. The new lift, wheels, tires, and horn chop has been performed on this Tundra TRD Pro. We've torqued it all down to spec, and we're bringing it out now for a quick test drive. In order to fit 35s on the older second generation Tundras, we had to do a body mount chop to do that properly with a lift. For the third generation, like this one that you see here, it's a lot easier to fit 35s, so people push it up a notch and try to fit 37s on here. In order to do that, we do the modifications needed. Push the liners forward and back of the front fender well and do a horn chop. That performed and a 2.5 to 3 inch lift, you can easily clear 37-inch tires on and off-road with full articulation when we align it properly and fine-tune the caster for clearance. And there you have it. This one is now complete. We're gonna park it and wait for the customer to arrive to pick up his vehicle. Next up, we have a brand new 2025 Toyota Tundra TRD Pro in Mud Bath. What do you guys think of this color? We've done quite a few of these and it's starting to grow on me. The owner of this Tundra is not yet ready to dump the factory TRD Pro Fox suspension, so we're going to remove them and throw on a Westcott Designs preload collar lift setup on it to retain the stock suspension. And with the preload collar lift setup on there, we're able to clear some 35 12.5 18 tires easily on the factory TRD Pro BBS wheels. The Westcott Design preload collar lift setups are a great way to retain the factory suspension, keep your costs down, and get the height needed to clear some 35s easily on all third generation Tundras. We do stock them for all third generation trims, including TRD Pro, the Limited, the Platinums, the SR5s, all the AVS models, and so on and so forth. Everything in stock and ready to rock. Like we mentioned earlier, second generation Tundras do need the body mount chop, like the one we're doing here. This one's getting a new lift, wheels, and 35-inch tires. In order to lift this one to clear 35s, we're doing a shim and shackle setup. Our 88 Rotors shim and shackle setup does not preload the front spring, which in turn does not compromise the ride quality. That done, and a body mount chop, we're able to clear the 17 by 8.5 zero offset method MR314s that we're throwing on here with some 35 12.5 17 BF Goodrich all-terrain KO2 tires. Do you have a second gen Tundra TRD Pro and want this kit for your vehicle? We'll leave a link in the description below. And here's the vehicle completed. Shim and shackle setup with MR314s and 35-inch KO2s installed and aligned. We're going to bring this one out for a quick test drive now before we hand the keys back over to our customer. Next up, we have this brand new Sequoia. This one right here is going with a King setup. We're doing the King 2.5 remote fin reservoir coilovers and shocks all around with compression adjusters paired up with a set of Camburg Kinetic Series, Billet Uniball upper control arms, and some Icon rear lift springs. For the wheels and tires on this Sequoia, we're going with a set of Method MR701 bead grip wheels. It's going to be in a 17 by 8.5 size with the zero offset in matte black. We're wrapping it up in a 35 12.5 17 BF Goodrich all-terrain KO2 tire. If you guys like what you see here and want to see more, make sure to follow us on Instagram. You can find us at 88 Rotors Off-Road. package is now complete, so we're gonna bring it out now for a quick test drive. Next up, we have another 3rd generation Tundra. This one is coming in for a Fox setup. For this one right here, we're gonna do the Fox 2.5 Performance Elite Series shocks with DSC. We're gonna pair it up with the new Fox Billet Uniball upper control arms. To get the lift in the rear done, we're installing some Old Man Emu lift springs. And the wheel and tire of choice here are the all-new RRW RR7V wheels. These are flow-formed wheels in 17 by 8.5 with the 0 offset. It's the matte black finish with the gloss black simulated beadlock ring. And we're wrapping it up in a 35 12.5 17 Toyo Open Country RT. And here's a closer look of the Fox setup with the new Billet upper control arms. Want a Fox Performance Elite Series setup for your truck? Use promo code FOX500 to get $500 off any Fox package on our website. This sale ends at midnight this Saturday. Next up, we have another 3rd generation Tundra Trd Off-Road 4x4. This one is in for a Fox suspension setup with the Camburg Kinetic Series Billet Uniball upper control arms and an Oban Emu rear lift spring. With a simple click of the knob on the DSC dual speed compression adjusters, you can easily fine-tune your shocks to your liking depending on the terrain that you're ready to conquer. This one's pretty much complete as well. We're gonna bring this one out for a quick test drive next. Last but not least, we have another 3rd generation Tundra that we're doing a Westcott Designs preload collar lift setup on. With that done, we're able to clear these RRW RR7Vs in a 17 by 8.5 size with the 0 offset wheel with the 35 12.5 17 Toyo Open Country RT tire on it. Very minimal modifications need to be done to clear this. That is completely reversible if you change your mind and want to go back to stock. This is pretty much gonna wrap it up for today, guys. Thank you very much for tuning in. Make sure to comment, like, share, and subscribe. And if you haven't already, turn on that notification bell. That way you get alerted the next time we post another cool video. Need a lift kit for your Tundra? Check us out at 88rotorsoffroad.com, where we have pre-assembled, pre-adjusted, and pre-packaged lift kits with all the components needed to get the perfect look for your Tundra like the ones that you see here on our. Don't forget to use the promo code FOX500 to get $500 off any kit from now until Saturday at midnight. And until the next one, take care, guys.